What is this place? Wow, look at that view. Some nice scenic beauty on our way to Hunder. All this traffic jam is just because everybody wants to have a snap of that thing. So it's a traffic jam caused by the photographic. We're not getting down here. So this is Khardung, crazy traffic jam at the pass. People pushing each other for photographs, etc. It was just too much. We didn't stop there. We came down. We stopped around 400 meters down, had some water, refreshed ourselves, and now we are carrying on. That was just too much. As we come down from Khardung, the road gradually becomes bad, and now it has improved, and we have this wonderful view. We're going down the mountainside with this lovely road and a lovely view. Enjoying this ride right now. There's too much. Have something to eat at this place called North Pullu, along with so many other people. I guess I forgot to turn on the camera. I'm so sorry, but it is recorded in my mind. And wow, look at the view. All these mountains, they have so many different colors: pink, brown, white tipped, black. And here is Oscar. Can you imagine that? So many bikers, cars, minibuses. Everybody stuck. Whew. Only the wonderful view to use the time. After miles and miles of dust and heat through gravel road, we eventually find some tarmac, and it's around 29 or 25 kilometers to Hunder, our stay overnight. And if we feel like it, maybe we'll go further up ahead and go beside the river Nubra. And in the maps you can see a waterfall. I don't know if we can go there because it was across the river, and I don't know if we can cross it. So a bit of greenery now in the valley. Maybe we're in the Nubra Valley already. So let's see what leads us there. A bit of fresh air after all this dust, and I swallowed lots of it. Wow, what a relief now. Oh, we have a suspension bridge. Yeah, we're crossing the river. Maybe this is the Nubra River. We don't know. We'll have to look up the map. I'll let you know on the screen if I come to know about it. We have come up on a pine forest, sort of. Oh, I don't know, looks like pine. Anyway, some kind of forest. In this barren area, there's a sight to sore eyes. Quite a nice change of scene from all the steep mountains, dry rocks of various hues ranging from pink, green, black, brown, etc. And now some kind of forest. Yeah, what a change. What have we come to now? What is this place? Wow, look at that view. You have been seeing these kind of mountains and suddenly like these. Okay. I hope we are on the right track. Oscar has the map on him. Yeah, look green. Green Valley. Time for another wonderful view. Just looked at all the mountains and this valley. I think we are in Nubra Valley. Lots of cycle tourists. Tandem cycle. Tra-la-la, straight roads with tarmac toppings. After such a long time today. Whoa! Whoa! So this is Nubra Valley, I think. Look at the road. What a sight. What are these trees? No idea. Juniper? I'm not a botanist, just guessing widely. XYZ trees. Scenic beauty on our way to Hunder. We're riding next to the river Nubra. So this is Nubra Valley. The river is to my right. Let's look at those mountains. It must be getting repetitive. Look at those mountains, look at those mountains. But I can't help it. Mountains is all that's here. Other than this wonderful valley. So now we have turned back and are on our way to our hotel in Hunder. That light effect through the clouds. I wonder if it's coming on the camera. And this is our hotel, Hunder Heaven. I wonder how it will be. And today we have ridden around 154 kilometers from Leh